welcome back once again to another video on the Versys 650 build. Today, I'm going to be installing some aluminum handlebars. These are Tusk T10s, 7/8, 60/61 alloy bars. The bars that I have on the Versys right now, they're some steel scrambler bars that I actually got from Dime City Cycles months ago. I was riding on some gravel and I crashed on a tight gravel turn and I bent the stock handlebars. And I had these scrambler bars sitting around from a bike that I didn't end up actually doing anything with. So I put them on the Versys. They're very comfortable in terms of position. They have a lot of back sweep, but they almost have too much back sweep and they're a little too tall, I feel like. So when I'm standing on the Versys, I'm like really scrunched in. It's like they have too much pullback. So I'm hoping that these alloy bars will get my hands a little farther out in front and make it a little more of a better off-road like standing position. Also, the Gen 1 Versys is known for vibrating a lot, and steel bars are not great for vibration. So I'm hoping that the aluminum handlebars make a difference in the comfort and keep my hands from vibrating too much. So all in all, I think it's a good upgrade. I'm really excited about it. I hope that it makes a big difference in terms of positioning and comfort. So we'll go ahead and take everything off the steel bars, take them off, and get the new ones installed. All right guys, I got the old bars off and I'm about to put the new ones on, but before I do that, I have to drill holes for the controls in the bar. I'm not gonna drill all the way through. I'm probably just gonna drill little depressions so that the nubs can fit in there. I don't really wanna drill all the way through these aluminum bars just to keep some strength, So on the throttle side, I'm just going to measure how far over the hole is on my old bars and just duplicate that on the new ones. On the other side, last time I did it, I'd put it a little too far out, so I'm gonna put the grip on and then I'm gonna test the control switches there and then see where I need to put the hole for that side. All right, it is so hot and sunny out here in Texas that I had to bring the bike in. Everything was overheating. My camera died because it got too hot. So basically where I'm at now is I've measured out the point on the bars that needs to be drilled for the throttle switches and controls. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my drill out and I'm gonna do that. All right, well, I did end up drilling through the bar, but the nub on this switch was pretty long, so I think it'd be fine though.
Alright guys, well, initial impressions are good. The bars are, I mean, I can definitely tell that there's less pullback than with the scrambler bars. So it feels a little more aggressive, which I think is good. Standing position is also pretty good. We're behind a school bus. There it goes. But yeah, like I was saying, the standing position is pretty good. I'm not as cramped as I was. I'm able to move around a bit more. So I think this might be good. I gotta go find some dirt though and test it out. Yeah, I wish I was a more confident dirt rider, but turning on dirt I'm very not used to the lack of traction. But it is fun. Yeah, these bars feel great. Just feel really nice. Yeah, I've got good like reach of the clutch, throttle, brakes. I think I did good. I think I did really good. I've seen a guy out here a few times on a DRZ 400 Supermoto. I hope I run into him one of these days, because I know he comes out here and rides all the time. Alright, let's hit some gravel. And get stuck behind the slowest truck. Oh, come on. Well, there's a big construction site right here, and I'm hoping that the guys aren't out working today. Yeah, it looks like they're working over there. Maybe not. I don't want to piss anyone off. Wait on the outside. I've been watching a lot of Moto Trek videos on cornering and gravel and dirt. I'm getting used to it. But I still need to build my confidence quite a bit. Oh, yeah, that was... Oh, I made it. Oh. Alright, I think that's a good enough test for today. Time to go to Costco and get a rotisserie chicken. Man, that guy just came right out. He didn't even look.
You had gloves, right?
Yeah, it was so hot.
You would have been burning your hand. You got it.
God, it's nice having luggage. Alright guys, it is hot. I'm ready to get home. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to continue to follow along with this Versus build. I know I'm having a lot of fun with it. See you guys on the next one. Feisty. That's what that girl's license plate says. I can be feisty. Every time I see a license plate like that, I always think to myself that that person must just be like trying to validate their own shitty personality. Like, feisty one? Do you really need to put that on a license plate? I mean, I don't know. It just feels like trying too hard to make yourself feel okay about being a crazy person. I don't know. Just my thought. But I think vanity plates are silly enough in the first place.